Hello friends, good morning. Aralia plants also come and go in popularity but always make wonderful large office plants and are suitable as house plants if their size is controlled with regular pruning. Their stems are easy to bend, shape and train to create character, specimens or make interesting looking plants when grown as Ming Aralia bonsai plants. Aralia polyscias may look different but all require the same basic care. Hello friends, in today's episode we will look how to care Aralia plant. If we are talking about soil of Aralia, the tropical Aralia plants grows best in a well-drained, loomy, rich, acidic potting mix. A standard potting mix with some additional perlite added works well for container grown plants. This is my old Aralia plant, but this is gonna be root rot. So today I will transfer in larger pot. Light requirement of Aralia. In an indoor setting, Aralias like very bright indirect lighting when choosing an indoor location. Look to a north window. Aralia plants enjoy the morning sun. Avoid the full sun for indoor plants. If kept outdoors during the warmer months, most polyscias to do well in partial shade to full sun. If we are talking about water requirements of Aralia, when watering your Aralia plant indoors, keep a close eye on the soil. When it is nearly dry, provide a thorough deep watering. Do not allow the plant to stand in water. Add do not allow the soil to become completely dry. See, this is my Aralia plant. Friends, we can propagate from here very easily. This is dwarf variety of Aralia. Humidity and temperature. Tropical Aralia plant enjoy high humidity, so it's a good idea to set your container on a pebble tray to keep the ambient moisture levels high. Some recommend daily misting as a good practice, but I have not found the need. Keep the room temperature above 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Pruning and grooming. The plant reaches a maximum height of about 8 feet tall and has a spread of 2 or 3 feet. Like I said, this is dwarf variety, but long variety you can choose. Unless you have unlimited space, it's a good idea to keep indoor plant size under control with regular pruning of the branch tips. This practice also encourages the Aralia plant to grow in a more bushy, dense manner. Use the cutting to propagate more plants. The flowers grow in Aralia of about 6 inches in length. In the wild, in the tropics, flower develop into a drupe. However, flowering is very unlikely to happen when the plant is cared for as a house plant or in a less than tropical outdoor setting. Aralias make wonderful indoor plants once they are acclimated to their new surroundings, much like the ficus benjamina. Expect your polyscias to drop a large mass of leaves when moving indoors. Be patient. Do not start watering heavily and fertilizing. Give the plant time to adjust to its new surroundings, lighting conditions, and humidity levels. If we are talking about fertilizer, feed your Aralia with a liquid fertilizer monthly throughout its growing period, spring through fall. If you notice falling leaves or those that are yellowish green in appearance, that's a good indication that your plant is not getting enough nutrients and could benefit from a bit of fertilizer. Aralia can be propagated fairly easily through its cuttings. To do so, take green stem cutting in the spring and place them in damp soil. You can add a rooting hormone as well. You can add aloe vera gel as a rooting hormone. Provide them with plenty of warmth and moisture, and the cuttings should take root within a few weeks. Repotting annually as needed or every other year. A mature Ming Aralia can reach 6 feet or higher in optimal conditions. So, repot it less often if you want to keep the plant smaller. They don't object to being slightly pot bound, but you should refresh or top dress the